Are you ready to embark on a journey through the heart of maritime excellence? Welcome to the crash course in Maritime Logistics and Marketing, in exclusive collaboration with the International Ship Suppliers and Services Association. But, what's the course all about? This course is your gateway to unlocking the secrets of logistics and marketing within the maritime industry. Here's what you'll discover. You'll delve into the interconnected roles of logistics and marketing and understand how they drive a company's competitiveness. Explore the maritime supply chain, where ships are the critical links and ports are the pivotal nodes, connecting the world through global trade, and uncover the power of marketing, from understanding the marketplace to building profitable customer relationships and creating value that leads to both profit and customer satisfaction. By the end of this course, you'll be able to define and distinguish logistics, supply chain management, and marketing. Examine the pivotal role of ports and distribution channels. Evaluate the significance of warehousing within a company and supply chain. Comprehend marketing fundamentals and its maritime application, and identify maritime customers and recognize the interconnectedness of marketing in the maritime context. The course is divided into 4 enriching sessions. Session 1, Setting the Logistics Framework. Session 2, Transport within the Chain. Session 3, Marketing Fundamentals. And Session 4, Strategy. Are you ready to elevate your customer service skills in the maritime industry? Nikos Kolonaitis, your instructor, is a highly accomplished professional with a wealth of expertise in the field. He's here to guide you every step of the way. Worried about fitting this into your schedule? Fear not. There are no fixed start dates. You can embark on this transformative journey anytime, from anywhere, and adjust the pace to meet your needs. Start your learning journey anytime, from anywhere. Tailor the course duration to your preferences. Our crash course seminar takes approximately 4 hours, offering knowledge at your own pace. Enjoy a generous 3-month window for course access from the moment you register. This course is open to anyone interested in specialized shipping topics, regardless of your background or experience. We welcome all knowledge seekers, regardless of educational background or experience. Whether you're new to the industry or you have years of experience, this course offers valuable insights. Complete the course successfully and earn a certification of attendance from the World Maritime Academy and the International Ship Suppliers and Services Association. Enroll today, and set sail on a course that'll steer you towards success in the dynamic world of ship supplies and procurement. The best part? Our course offers flexibility with self-paced learning, featuring pre-recorded seminars, knowledge check quizzes, additional resources, accessible course instructors, a dedicated forum for discussion, and reliable course administrators. So, are you ready to explore the world of ship supplying with us? Your journey begins right here. Join us in this enlightening journey.
You will find the information about this course on the WMA site. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@e-wma.com.